Hello everyone, Demost Fire Flower here, and today I'm going to show you a tutorial on how to roll a back roll joint today. So first, what we need to do is we need to take our paper, whether it be king-sized or not, and we need to have the glue strip, instead of facing at the top, facing upward, we need to flip it so then it's face down on the tray and facing us. You can roll this without doing the boat rolling method, but I enjoy using the boat rolling method that I did as a tutorial as well. If you would like, you can go check that video out as well. Once we have our pouch made, we need to grind some weed. So we will do so right now. Alright, once we've ground up some weed here, all sorts of different nice colors. Once we have our weed all ground up, before we put it in our paper here, I like to take a wooden stick like this. This one's a king palm, but you can get wooden dowels from different places. And I like to kind of curl this glue so then it starts to have like a natural bend in it in that direction, making it a little easier to work with. Put in our weed. Roll it with a light amount of pressure to tighten it up a bit, but not too much, so you're not, having a hard time pulling on anything. And adjust as necessary to make it even all the way through, or more cone-like if that's what you prefer. Now we will need a filter or a crutch, depending on where you're from. I like to make my own. I use cardstock, because why not? It works out really nice. What do you guys use? Let me know down in the comments. Alright. Once you have made your crutch, you can put it right in the joint. Now we begin the roll. So we take it and we want to roll until we get to about here. This is where I like to take a piece of cardstock and put it under it to help tuck it under. You don't have to do this, but it sure helps. I think that taking that piece of cardstock, you can help guide it under without any mistakes. Until you get more comfortable at doing it without it, I recommend using this. But until then, you go right ahead. Use a tool to tuck it under. That's what it's for. So you keep rolling until you notice the glue strip, which is going to be hard to notice on papers like this, since they're not thin papers, but you can slightly see it here. What you want to do is you want to wet your finger with either water or your saliva and apply light pressure along the glue strip. Do it all the way along. Then you're going to unravel. See how we did? Perfect, it's stuck on. So now that it's stuck like this, it's at this point where you usually will see somebody burn it along the paper. This is a thicker paper, so it's going to have a hard time doing so, plus we've just licked it. It's kind of wet right now. So you can burn it off and be really fancy about it like I've done on some of my Reddit videos. Or you can do it without ruining the integrity of it. Just cut it right off. There should be some extra paper there. Just lick the paper that's extra and roll it into the joint. There should be an extra little strip there, see? There is some strip on the outside that was sticky. Wouldn't you have it? It's an inside-out joint. There it is. This is the paper that would be burned off. We rolled a little bit fatter of a joint, but you can do it skinnier, and it will have the same result. This one here is a king-sized Juicy J's strawberry papers right here. Love these. In closing, how did you like this joint? Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and hit that bell if you want to see more content just like this. And hey, after you're done smoking after this video and you're nice and stoned, if you want to see some gaming content, go check out DMFF's channel, where there's a variety of games being played there. Anyway, happy smoking everyone. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you next time.